Hello friends, very good morning. So this is Senthu and as you know I am the director at 3 Star. So today I am going to show you the updates of the world, the Epic Lotto launch, what are the important updates that we have seen. So there are a lot of important updates in the world, Crowd One Epic Lotto launch. So before proceeding to that, I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel Senthu Talks. So this is my channel Senthu Talks. So I'll be uploading you a lot of crowd one videos in this particular channel. So दोस्तों मैं सिंधु बात कर रहा हूँ और आपके लिए मैं जो कुछ भी इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियोस है मैं इस साइट में आपके लिए डाल दूँगा. So please subscribe to this channel and today we are going to see important things regarding the Epic Lotto launch. ठीक है. So Epic Lotto launch, first of all, the Epic Lotto is launched and it is been given to all the managers. It was started with the presidents, then the directors, then the managers, and I think it's almost going to live for the coordinators also. Okay, so Epic Lotto. So this is the option. You have to click the Play Now button. Okay, so once logged in, it will ask you to register. So you are registering it. Okay, so it's asking yes, contact details you have to update. Okay, so now I'm going to C Store. So I'm going to Epic Lotto, click the register button. Okay, it's asking to. Okay, so let us log in with a different account because it is showing some error. So let me log into my. Okay, let us log into my account. So it is live for the directors. I'm clicking the Play Now button. So this is how the Epic Lotto looks like. Okay, so you have the Play Now option. So you have the 6 topmost lottery companies of the world you need to play. So for example, if I am selecting Lotto America, so if I'm clicking the Play Now button, so you can select any 5 numbers, friends. For example, you can select 16, 20, 28, whatever the number you like, 49 or 4. So 5 numbers you have to select. That is very important, and you can select some extra number. So the total amount charged for this is 2 euros. Okay, and you can also select the draw day. So today it's 22nd of December. It's Tuesday. So the next draw is Thursday. Okay, so you can select Thursday. You can select number of weeks. For example, if you want this to be repeated for 4 weeks, you get 5% discount. If you want to repeat for 13 weeks, it's 10% discount. 26 weeks, 15% discount, and 52 weeks, it's 20% discount. Okay, so this is how it works. Lotto America. So what I'm doing is I'm buying it for just 1 week. Okay, sorry, one time. So it's 2 euros. I'm clicking the 2 euros button. Item was successfully added to the cart. So the total amount is 2 euros, and you can select the payment option also. You can pay using Novapago Pay, Astro Pay, and coin payments. So if you have the debit card or credit card, you can also use that in the Novapago Pay. Just you need to complete the KYC. So friends, Epic Lotto is very big product, and we are generating lots and lots of profits. Because see, if a single person is purchasing for 4 euros, you just think if 1 crore people are playing, then just think what is the profit. It's 4 crore euros. Okay, so that amount is obviously being given to us as residual income. Okay, so this is what Epic Lotto is, and Epic Lotto is one of the successful product. So this is a beta version only, so we'll be getting the main product, the fully operational site shortly, and you can log in from any device. Okay, so let us see what are the updates regarding Epic Lotto. So I'm going to the news section. Okay, so news section, let us go to the Epic One Lotto. So this is the update. Epic Lotto is launched. The international launch of Epic Lotto is here. So Epic Lotto enables you to buy real tickets to the world's 6 most popular lottery companies. That is what we have seen now. 20% discount for multi-draw, that also we have seen. So play together, win together. You can also play with other members, meaning you can select 5 numbers, your friend can select 5 numbers. So whatever the number comes from those 10 numbers, you will be getting special prizes. If all the 5 number comes, you will get the jackpot. If 4 number comes, then little bit less. If you are getting three numbers, then little more less. So like that, if your number comes, you have some special prize for that. Okay, so that is lottery. And 100% transparency with a scanned image in your control panel. In your control panel, you get the scanned image of the selected number, and mobile and desktop user friendly. You can log in from any mobile or any desktop, and you also have 24/7 customer support. Okay, so that's the update, friends. The second update is the Mixter. As you know, Mixter is our premium product. So before logging into Mixter, I would like to show you uh, how to activate Mixter. That is very important. So let me log in to my other account. Okay, so see, you need to go to C Store, and you need to log into the Mixter. So if you wanted to activate Mixter, you need to go to the vouchers section. So once you log in, it will be automatically redirected to the Mixter page. So just hold on, it is getting loaded. So apart from that, we had various updates in the event, friends. So some of the important updates, successful people have talked. So what is the update, and what are the future scope of the company? Our CEO, Mr. Johan Westerdahl, has given many future scope of the company and what it is going to change the world exactly. And also a few more products that is going to come in the next year, right? So we are about to come in the communication domain. We are also going to be live in the entertainment domain. So lots and lots of products, friends. See, Mixter and Epic Lotto is going to change the world, because lots and lots of people are playing, and Crowd1 is going to introduce few more products like this. So they are keeping us entertained, and also they are giving us to earn an income opportunity. Okay, so this is the update as per the Epic Lotto launch. And monthly event update also has been given. See, now I'll show you how to activate Mixter. So you have to log into Mixter and click the voucher section. Voucher section को प्रेस कीजिए, और इधर आपको आप देख सकते हैं कि you have to enter the voucher code. So get the gift codes from your upline. You have three kinds of subscription: 1 month, 5 month, sorry, 6 month, and 12 month. Okay, so you get a lot of benefits if you activate these vouchers. So you get 1200 Crowd1 rewards. You have active user pool and customer referral bonus income. So you can also play games, and also you can enjoy the benefit, friends. Okay, so Mixter is one of the important product, friends. So this is for your reference. So this is regarding Mixter. And also we have seen a few more successful people speaking about the company, and about the Epic promotion. That is very important, because we have just 9 more days for the Epic promotion. So anyone can join the Epic, I mean the Crowd1, and they can avail the Epic promotion, but that is till 31st of December. Okay, so if you want to be getting some more benefit, so please use this 8 days or 9 days, because you can achieve a titles if you have maximum number of points, because the white package can give you only 90 points, but upgrades can give you 450 points. Okay, and the other important update, so you go to your earnings and payouts. Okay, so here you have one cool option called as total earnings. So this is an update. Here you can see all the report, total report. This is the cool feature many people were expecting, and we have finally got it. So you can see the generated gift codes, earnings, withdraw BTC, regretted gift codes, purchases from the account. So for example, if I'm getting the withdrawal, the total amount that I've withdrawn to the bank, period, last 7 days or 14 days or last 6 months. So I need to click the this security option, and I need to click the generate report. So that's it. So it will be generated. Now it is waiting for a report. So once that is generated, it will come automatically in the below section, and the status will be report generated. Okay, so this is one of the cool feature, friends, as you can see. And apart from this, as usual, the focus of Crowd1 is good, and the future is bright. So please promote all these 9 days and make use of this opportunity, friends. Okay, so that's about the update of Epic Lotto and Mixter. One more important update in the Mixter is you can buy the gift codes from your account balance. See, I'm going to the Mixter. I'm going to buy the 12-month subscription. So if I'm clicking this, see, I have the option to pay with the BP account also. Okay, so that's an important update. This offer is till 31st of December, meaning you can buy the gift codes from your account balance and you can sell it to the people. Okay, and you can get the amount from them. You can get the cash or whatever may be your preferred payment method. You can get it from them. So this is for you. People, please promote Mixter, promote Crowd1 and Epic Lotto. So in 2021 we are going to be a very big company, very big network marketing company. As usual, we will be in the number one place forever. So Crowd1 has got all the potential. So please subscribe to my channel and you'll get a lot of updates like this. Okay, so stay safe, stay well, and let me meet you in my next update, friends. Okay, so wish you all a happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2021. So please take a resolution that 2021 you get lots and lots of happiness, wealth, and good health, and you achieve lots and lots of success in life. Okay, so thank you.